First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 37 daily score booster questions. First, we are going to see simplifications. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's see first question. We need to know the fraction value of this one, which is 1 by 6 into 198 633 times. So here we have 17% of 370. So 17 divided by 100 into 370. 17 7 times will be 119. 17 3 times will be 51. So we get 629. This 0 and this 0 cancels. 10 means 0.9. So we have at the end 33 plus 62.9. Here we need to know the fraction value of this one. The fraction value of this one is nothing but 2/3 of 207. 3 6 times 18, 9 times. This will be 18, this 12 13 plus 16.1 whole equals to 5x. Here we get 10 1, so 10 19 20 6 plus 6 12 12 plus 3 15 2. So 5x value is 250, so x value is 50. So answer is option A, 50. Second question. 4 times 0 8 times. 5 4 times and 3 times. 8 1 time 8 52. 8 6 times 48.5 times. 11 times 11 cube. This is 11 square and this is 11 cube. So we left with 11. So totally we have 408 443 408 43 16.5 and 11. So 0.5 at the end. 10 plus 8 18. 4 plus 3 7. This will be 4. So we get 478.5 is our answer, option D. Now we are going to see third question. To solve these questions, we need to know the squares of 1 to 60. This is the square of 16 plus this is a cube of 19 and this is a cube of 12. This is a square of 23. This is why we need to know 1 to 60 squares and 1 to 20 cubes and 20 into 20 tables. To calculate these are in seconds. Here we have 8 and 9 17. 17 plus 3 20. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 3 7. 70. So answer will be option A, 70. Next, fourth question. Here it is 12 cube plus this will be 11 square plus here unit digit is 1, so it must be unit digit of 1 or 9. Leaving 2 digits we get 98. 98 means nearest square will be 9 square 81. Okay, so this must be 91 or 99 square. I know how to find 95 square. 95 square is you at the end 25. 9 plus 1 10. 9 10 times is 90. So 95 square value is 90 25. This number is greater than 95 square. So our value must be greater than 95 square. So it is 99. I actually know this number. I'm explaining just how to do the square roots. Here it is 24 square. So we have 10 and 6 16. 10 and 4 14. 146 is our answer, option C. Next, fifth question. 5 4 times 2 times and 7 times into 17. 17 times will be 119. 17 2 times is 34. So we have 5 and 4. 17 4 times is 68. So 7259 is the solution for this one. Plus 3 1 1 2 times. So we have for 2 times 8 4 1 times 4 and 4. Here 2 1 7 1 times. So we have 6 1 times 6, 6 7 times 42, 6 1 times 6 and 4 plus, so 1024. So totally we have 17 plus 6 23, 9 plus 4 13, 6 7 8. So 8733 is our answer, option D. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First, minus and minus, here plus and minus, so I see at the end there is minus, so there is no relation can be established in between these two equations. In options we can see cannot be determined in options. Why? Because here the roots will be positive and negative, here the roots are negative and positive, so x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here, so there is no relation for these equations. Next, here we need to get 40 and 6 here, so 10 4 times is 40 and we got 6. Minus and minus means plus and minus are the roots. Here we need to get 25. 5 times is 25, we got 10 minus and minus. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Next, 147, we'll divide this as 721 times and we got 28. So the roots are 21 and 7, plus and plus, the roots are in minus. 49, 7 times 14, so plus and plus means minus and minus. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next, fourth question. Here 2x cube equals to root over 256 means 16. 2 and 2 cancels with 8 to 8 times. So x cube value is 8 means x value is 2. Here 2 10 times will be 20. 20 and we need to get 9 5 4 times. Okay. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 2. So we get 4 here. X value 4 and this y value is 5 and 4. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Now we are going to see fifth question. The 4 times will be 12. We need to get 4. 6 2 times. Minus and plus. Minus and minus means plus and minus. Here 10 3 times 30. We need to get 11. 6 5 times. Okay. 6 5 times is 30. Minus and plus, so the roots are in positive. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 10, this with 3. We have plus 15, 3 6 times plus 18. 10 minus 2 times will be minus 20, 10 6 times will be plus 60. These two numbers comes in between these two. So here we have x greater than y and x lesser than y. So no relation can be established in between these two equations. Now we are going to see wrong number series. Here these numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. Here minus 8, here the difference is minus 8, here the difference is minus 11, here the difference is minus 13, here the difference is minus 15. So it is clear that the difference of odd numbers, so these are the wrong, these two are wrong, so our wrong number is this one. It must be minus 9 and it must be minus 7. Okay, let's see this one. Here we are going with the differences. Here plus 9, here the difference between these two is plus 24, here the difference is plus 50, here the difference is plus 81, here the difference is plus 121. This is 11 square, this is 9 square, this is 3 square, so it must be 5 square and this must be 7 square, which are wrong, so our wrong number is 250. Next one, here we see minuses, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is minus 4, here the difference is minus 15, here the difference is minus 65, here the difference is minus 652 256. In these two the difference is 8 becomes 4, 4 means 4 2 0 1 minus 1024. So we know that this is 16 square, this is 32 square, this is 2 square, so it must be 4 square, and it must be 8 square, which are wrong. So wrong number is in between them, 163. Next one, I can see this is into 3 times, and this is into 5 times, 8 5 times 40, and 8 7 5 times will be 35 39. So into 5 times, so it must be into 7 times, 7 0 times 7 7 6 7 9 times 63, 7 3 times 21 27. So we have, this is wrong number, so the next one must be into 9. So 2730 into 9, 9 3 times will be 7 at the end, so this is the wrong number. Next one, we are going to see this one. This is clear that I can see from these two, it is clear that it is half times, this is into 1 time, it is into 2 time, so it must be into 4 times. For 4 times is 16, 4 8 times 32 33, 4 8 times and 11 1136. Okay, it is also correct. Into 5 times, so 5 6 times will be 35 15 and 18, 5 6, 5 1 times is 5, so this is a wrong number. Wait a second, these are in double, so it must be into 8. 8 6 times will be 48, 8 3 times 24 28, 8 1 time will be 8 and 2 10, 8 1 times 8 and 9 9088, but this is not, so this is a wrong number. Now we are going to see missing number series. Here we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is plus 6, here the difference is plus 12, here the difference is plus 6, so it must be plus 6 and plus 12. Let's see, 114 plus 6 will be 120, 120 plus 12 will be, no, this is not, otherwise 4 plus 1 plus 1, which will be 6, 1 plus 2 plus 9, which will be 12, 1 plus 2 plus 3, which will be 6, so it must be 1 plus 1 plus 4 6. We got a 120. 120 means 1 plus 2, which will be 3, so we get a 123, so our answer will be 120. Option C is our answer. Next question, here I can clearly see that this is nearly 4 times, 7 4 times is 28, 522 228 minus 16, so into 4 minus 4 square. Here it must be into 3, 22 3 times will be 66, minus 3 square, minus 3 square. It must be into 2 minus 2 square. 26 minus 4 will be 22, so into 2 minus 4, into 3 minus 9, into 4 minus 6, so it must be into 5 minus 25. 2 5 times 10, 10 minus 5 will be 5. Okay, so it must be into 6 minus 36. 6 5 times is 30, 6 3 times 18 and 19 20 21. 6 1 times is 6 minus 36, we get a 4 7 1 6 6 1 7 4 is our answer. Option B is our answer. In this case, we'll see the differences. Here the difference is 79, here the difference is 3 and 7 73, here the difference is 1 and 7 71. These are prime numbers, so this must be the prime numbers. Here the prime number is 67 and here the prime number must be 61. 98 plus 61 will be 9 and 159. 159 plus 67 we get 226, so our answer is 159, option A. Fourth question, here we see that it seems like into 2 times. 9 4 times minus 2, 34, 8 times 8 4 times 32, 8 3 times 24 27. No, these are not multiplications. So let's see the differences. Here the difference is 5, 2, 0 and 2. 25 is 45 square. Let's see this one. Here the difference is 25, 5 square. Here the difference is 225, which is 15 square. So the next one must be 20 square, 25 square, and then next must be 35 square. 25 square, which is 625. 35 square is 1225. So 259 plus 625 will be 488. 884 plus 1225 will be 2109. So our answer will be 884. Option B is our answer. Next question. Here I can see this is into 4 times plus this will be 5. This is into 4 times, this is plus 5. So into 4 times. 7 4 times is 8. 7 3 times 4 12 14 4 5 5 48 is our answer. Option A, 548. Now we are going to see inequalities. The method we are using to solve inequalities is flow method. What is the flow method is, if we see a symbol like this, we assume that the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, we assume the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with the conclusions directly with the questions. The flow from A to B with everywhere equal to. From A we can reach to O. From O we cannot able to reach to anything else. So first conclusion will be false. Let's see second conclusion. The flow from F to B. From F we can reach to C. From C we can reach to W, and W we can reach to B. So second conclusion will be true. Third conclusion, the flow from O to W. From O we can reach to only A but not to W. So third conclusion will be false. Here A and O are equal here. Is it maybe possible with B and W are equal? Yes, here it is equal to. A is greater and here also A is greater. So only 2 is the option for this question. Only 2 follows. Next, second question. The flow from A to A to U with everywhere equal to also. From A we can reach to K, and from K we can reach to U. Here is equal to and here is also equal to. So first conclusion will be true. Next, second conclusion. The flow from F to J. From F we can reach to L. Or else from F to A. From A we can reach to K, and from K we can reach to U but not to J. So second conclusion will be false. Let's see third conclusion. The flow from C to J. From C we can reach to K. From K we can reach to U but not to J. So third conclusion is false. So we left with only one follows. Third question. The flow from A to P. From A there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. The flow from U to P. From U we can reach to T. From T we can reach to P. So second conclusion will be true. Third conclusion. The flow from O to P. From O we can reach to D. From D we can reach to T. From T we can reach to P. So third conclusion is true. Next, fourth question. The flow from P to Q. From P we can reach to T. From T we can reach to Z and U. From U we can reach to Q. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. The flow from U to P with everywhere equal to. From U there is no flow. From U we can reach to Q, but not able to reach to P. So second conclusion will be false. Third conclusion. The flow from T to Q with everywhere equal to. From T there is no flow. From T we can reach to Z and U. From U we can reach to Q, but there is no equal to C here. So third conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see fifth question. In which of the following expression will the conclusion O, the flow from O to A will be definitely false? So we need to see that the O to A definitely falls. From O there is no flow. So first one cannot be flow. From O we can reach to A is possible. From O we can reach to A is possible. So only option A is the answer for our question. Let's see the remaining also. From O we can reach to A. From O we can reach to A. So option A is our answer. Which cannot reach O cannot reach to A. Now we are going to see syllogisms. First question. Only a few A or J. No J is K. All K are O. Next conclusions. Some O can be J. Some part of O can share with J. Yes, it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. Some A are not K. Here we see not. So we check all A can be K. All A can place inside K. No, it is not possible because of this sharing with J. So all case fails means some not case will be true. Next, second question. Only a few pink is red. No red is blue. No pink is white. Conclusions. Some white can be red. Some part of white can share with red. Yes, it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. All pink can never be blue. We see never here. So we check all pink can be blue or not. All pink can place inside blue. No, it is not possible because of this sharing with R. So all case fails means all never case will be true. Next, third question. Only a few river are sea. At least some sea or ocean means some sea or ocean. Few oceans are pond means some ocean or pond. Let's see conclusions. Some ocean can be river. This is ocean and this is river. And it is saying about possibility. Yes, it is possible. Second conclusion. All sea or pond means it is direct conclusion. We need to see the direct meaning of this one in our basic Venn diagram. All sea is inside pond. No. So second conclusion is false. Now we are going to see fourth question. All fan are light. Some light are bright. Only a few bright are device. Let's see conclusions. No fan is bright. We check some fan can be bright. Some part of fan can share bright. Yes, it is possible. Some case possible means no case will be fails. Some light are not device. We check all light can be device because of not. All light can be device. All light can place inside a device. It is possible. All case possible means our conclusion some not case will be false. Okay. Next we are going to see fifth question. No boat is stream. All streams are water. Only a few current are boats. Let's see conclusions. All boats can be water. All boats can place inside water. Yes, it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. Some boats are not current. Because of not, we check all boats can be current. All boats can place inside current. All case is possible here. All case possible means some not case will false. Okay. Now we are going to see reasoning puzzle. Floor based reasoning puzzle. So let's start the puzzle. 8 persons are living one above another on 8-story building, but not necessarily in the same order. The bottommost floor is numbered 1, and above one that is 2, and so on. Top floor is numbered 8. Okay. Next, given that S is living on even numbered floor below Q, let's take 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. According to first statement, S is living on even numbered floor below Q. So from the place of S must be either 6 or 4 or the 2. This is the only possibility because S is below Q. S sits below Q. Next, one person is living between R and T. One person between R and T. Q is living 2 floors below P. Q is living 2 floors below P means this one. Next, 4 people are living between Q and V. 4 people living between 1, 2, 3, 4 and V. Okay. Next one is R is living below W. 3 persons are living between P and W. 1, 2, 3, W. Okay. So these are the rough statements. Now we need to find our solution. We have P and Q here. From Q we can write V, and from P we can write P and W. So we are going to start with this one. Let's see P below Q. 1, 2, 3, 4 V means 1, 2, 3, 4 V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 people are set here. In another case, we have P dash Q here. This V must be in the top also. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the place for V. It might be a possible. Okay. Next, if we have P, we can write W. So in this case, there is only place for W is 1, 2, 3. This is the place for W. Okay. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can place 1, 2, 3 W here. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What if we place V double dash P dash Q 1, 2, 3? This is the place for W. This might be possible. So we got 3 possibilities. But here we have W below 1 is R. Here we have completed 8 people. There is no place for R in the below. So this case fails. We left with 2. R and T in between there is only 1%. And R is below W. So in this case we can place R here only. And the place for T is above W. Okay. Next, in this case we can place R and T in here, these places. Either they are in shift positions. Q below is S. So in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the place for S, which is 8 people completed here. But according to our question, the S place belongs to 1 according to this possibility. But in our statements, it is clear that S lives in even numbered floor. So this case also fails. So let's see this case. In this case, S is below Q. So this is the place for Q, S below Q. Okay, so this is the place for S. So what we left is U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the solution we got. Let's note this in our puzzle. S is in second position. V, R, W, T, Q, Q, P. This is the solution. Let's see the questions that are asked. How many persons are living above you? Only 1 person. So option B is our answer. Next, second question. How many persons are living between Q and W? There is only 1 person living between Q and W. So answer will be option A. Next, third question. How many persons are living below V? Below V, there are none of the persons below V. So option C is our answer. Next, fourth question. Number of persons living above T is same as the number of persons below above T. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 below W. So answer will be option D, below W. Next, fifth one. Who among the following is living on the third floor? On third floor, R is living. So option B is our answer. By this, we have completed our daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.